Hey guys, and today I'll be making a Lego fidget spinner. Really cool. I'm gonna show you. I'm gonna show you how to make two Lego fidget spinners. This one and then this one. But first, I'm gonna show you how to make this one. So all you need is one of these pieces with a hole through it, and you need to put this through the hole. And then you can put any piece on the bottom, but I put this one, and you just snap it onto this piece at the bottom so it stays on. And then all you have to do, you can try to find different colors. These are the only colors that I could find, but it still works any color. Just snap those on. And then there you have it. This one can't go through my hands, could go through somebody else's hands maybe. So I just hold it by this. And so I'll show you how to make this one. It's basically the same exact thing, but these are smaller so it can fit through my hand. So all you need is another one with a hole through it. You just stick that through there. And you can put any kind of piece that stays on at the bottom. And then just snap these on. Maybe. And then you have a fidget spinner made out of Legos. It's really cool. So please comment below or give a thumbs up. I hope you try to make these. It's really simple. Bye.